Nila ako na feeling maging endorser ng Karat World, but whatever it is, I'm very happy to be endorsing Karat World.
Okay, hashtag iconic.
Iconic. Hashtag. Ayun ba yun? Okay.
Equivalent to it. Gretchen Brand.
Thank you.
So yung patuloy yung pagtitiwala sa iyo, Gretchen,
Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga nagtitiwala sa akin. I'm honored and I'm grateful.
Okay.
Anong tinitignan mo?
What are you wearing now?
I'm wearing my Karat World, one of my favorite hoop earrings, and I'm wearing a Balenciaga top.
Okay.
And yung pants ko, regalo to ni Dominic. Pero hindi ko pwedeng sabihin yung
And the shoes?
And the shoes, Celine.
Sige.
The bag.
The bag, okay. Musta ba sa Dominic?
My underwear. Dominic wears the color red.
How's Dominic right now?
She's very good. She's very good. Nagtatrabaho this afternoon. Meron siyang shoot for, I forgot kung ano. So there.
Oh, when you say she has a shoot here or in London?
Here in Manila. Nasa Manila siya for a few months because it's summer. Her summer break. Kahit paulan na tayo. Yeah. So nagtatrabaho din ng kaunti ang aking anak. Maraming
Gretchen, ganda
salamat.
ng keyboard niya, no? Kasama
Yes.
niya sila. How does it feel na?
Meron, she has another, magkakaroon ng isa pang endorsement ulit si Dominic about the shoot. So, I'll invite all of you to the launch.
Ma'am, may say ka ba sa mga endorsement niya or
Hindi na ako nakikialam because 19 years old na si Dominic. So, technically, she's an adult. Siya na nakikipag-usap, nakikipag-negotiate. Mas magaling siya sa nanay niya. I love to admit that.
ma'am, parang sinusundan niya yung yapak mo, endorse?
Hindi naman.
So,
Ayun,
mag-artista ba siya, if ever?
Hindi. Uy, maraming beses niyo lang natanong yan.
Okay.